Nowadays, your subscribers are living happily in their smart homes. They connect more and more stuff to the internet. Yes, even the vacuum cleaner. The pain with these devices is that most of them are poorly secured. Actually, audits reveal that 70% of the Internet of Things devices are vulnerable to hijacking. Connecting an insecure device to the internet can expose your clients to hijacking, ransomware, and malicious attacks. Plus, that transforms your network infrastructure into a cloggy playground for DDoS attacks and spam botnets. And your subscribers won't know if they should blame the smart device or the internet connection. So, how can you make them trust your internet service again and fully embrace the Internet of Things? Introducing Avira SafeThings, a software solution embedded directly in the router that can become the protector of the smart home. It also secures your core infrastructure against rogue nodes, mitigates liability, and ensures regulatory compliance. Linked to an artificial intelligence cloud engine, it will automatically detect abnormal behavior happening at the device level, analyze it, and contain threats the second they occur. That will keep your customers happy and your network infrastructure clean and safe. In other words, it will offer you the chance to really stand out. You'll offer your clients the safest internet service available. You'll have a true differentiator against the competition. You'll be able to add relevant services to the monthly plan and grow your business. And you'll stay safe and clean, far away from DDoS attacks originating in your infrastructure. All these without the need of extra hardware or changing your customers' routers. So, why not be one step ahead of the others and offer the services of the future today? Avira, protecting people in the connected world.